Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, and now we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has recognized SPY as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 5.98. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time. The ETF has experienced an increase of 4.69%. This equates to an average return of 0.25% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a narrow and slightly ascending trend in the short term, indicating a potential for further upward movement. The existing 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately 8.32% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 4.81% to 9.30%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of about 25.44% over the next year, with a possible return between 16.09% and 27.38%. This translates to a projected price range between $700.77 and $768.98 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF price up 0.186% on Monday. The SPY ETF price gained 0.186% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 2nd of December 2024, rising from $602.55 to $603.67. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.307%, with a day low at $602.47 and a day high of $604.32. The price has risen in 9 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.05% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which indicates a positive technical sign. In total, 4 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 28 million shares bought and sold for approximately $16.64 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $604.32, and the lowest price was $454.31. Currently, the price is 0.11% or 65 cents below the 52-week high of $604.32, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The recent activity in the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, commonly known as SPY, reflects a dynamic market environment. Traders are increasingly purchasing stocks, especially in the final hour of trading, a behavior connected to a significant drop in volatility expectations following the recent presidential election. This trend is historically bullish for the S&P 500, suggesting that investor confidence could lead to sustained upward momentum in the index. Moreover, as the holiday shopping season gains traction, the consumer discretionary sector is outperforming the broader S&P 500, buoyed by stocks like Tesla and Garmin. This seasonal momentum can further enhance SPY's performance in the short term, driven by consumer spending trends. However, forecasts for the year 25 present a more cautious outlook. Expected market performance, including a modest gain range of 0 to 10%, signals potential headwinds. Analysts are pointing to looming recession risks and declining earnings estimates, which could temper longer-term expectations for SPY. Despite these concerns, November saw SPY achieving a notable rise of 5.96%, marking its 53rd all-time high for the year 2024, underpinning a strong performance trend this year. Overall, the short-term outlook remains positive, particularly due to holiday momentum and reduced volatility, but the long-term perspective is more guarded due to potential economic challenges ahead. Investors should remain attentive to these developments, as they could significantly impact SPY's pricing trajectory. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected around the levels of $598.90 and $587.52. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was established from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, and since then it has increased by 3.05%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, volume is rising alongside the price, which is interpreted as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal, recorded 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, identified 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, observed 20 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, detected 19 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, recognized 82 days ago. To discover more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $570.98 and $568.25. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the fund may decline to the next support level. In this instance, SPY finds support just below today's level at $570.98. If this support is broken, the next level of support from accumulated volume will be at $568.25 and $554.42. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this fund is considered very low. Over the past day, the exchange-traded fund moved $1.85 between its high and low, which represents a movement of 0.307%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced an average daily volatility of 0.612%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the ETF could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine your exit. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at 570.98. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $571.98, reflecting a decline of 5.25%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? SPY shows several positive signals and is currently in a weak upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. We consider it a wise choice at these levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of December, we expect SPY to open lower by 183/10,000ths and begin trading at $603.49. We remind you that trading comes with a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.